Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review. Okay, let's take a quick peek at the Attorney Marketing Suite Volume 1. Now, the creator of Attorney Marketing Suite Volume 1 is Don View, a well-known creator and vendor on Warrior Plus, and his specialty is agency-type products, and he has several to his credit. Now, in a nutshell, Attorney Marketing Suite is your all-in-one solution for legal marketing. It's a comprehensive package featuring crafted websites, videos, targeted social media plans, and content marketing strategies tailored for 3 essential attorney niches: general practice, family, and bankruptcy. Now, there are 5 things you should know about this product. Each niche contains a professionally designed WordPress website template with done-for-you content. Number 2, there's a 30-day social media posting plan with images and posting content. And number 3, there are 8 SEO or optimized with keywords, and they are focused articles. And number 4, a promotion video template in PowerPoint format. And number 5, this is Volume 1, so I suspect there will be other volumes to follow. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. The front end is $27. There are 3 websites, social media plan, and 8 articles, and much more. The OTO1 is $47 with an upgrade package with extended website, source files for the social media images, chat GPT prompts, and social media videos, and more. OTO2 is a done-for-you legal marketing agency, an agency website with a landing page, lead generation squeeze page, and 3 lawyer marketing reports and much more. And OTO3 is $317. Web agency Fortune Mega Pack, which includes the lowest price for all previous web agency Fortune products, websites, videos, and social media content for 60 plus niches. And OTO4 ranges from $297 to $497, and it's an exclusive marketing package design for one niche. Now watch for the downsells, and you will save some money, but you'll also get less product. Now if you need to know more, click the second link below and then get the full story. And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in the first link below. And don't forget my 4 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online with ease, and earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Thank you for listening, folks. See you next time.